How to fix no service issue on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem or issue like no service issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just try to restart your iPhone. For that, open settings and from your tap on general. From your scroll down at the bottom and from here you can easily restart your iPhone by tapping on the option shutdown, and after you restart your iPhone you'll have to just check to turn on or turn off the airplane mode from here. For that, tap on settings again and from here tap on airplane mode. Once you have turned on airplane mode you'll have to just turn it off again, and after you turn it on and turn it off you'll have to back from there and open your cellular data connection, and from your you can simply choose your SIM card on the SIM section, and from your SIM card section tap on network selection. From your make sure that you have turned on this automatic from here, and after you turn on it back from here. Alright, from the section again tap on voice and data, and from here you'll have to just turn off the 5G from here, and after you turn off it and change it to 3G or LTE you'll have to back from here, and from this section again tap on the option data roaming, and after you turn on the data roaming your problem will be solved now. So if you are still facing that problem you'll have to back from here, and from the settings section again tap on general. From your scroll down and go to the option software update, and from your make sure that your iOS is up to date with its latest version, and after you confirm it back from here, and from the section again you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option date and time. From your tap on the option set automatic, and after you set date and time to automatic back from here, and from the general section again you'll have to go the options like VPN and device management. Alright, from this section, make sure that you are not connected to any VPN on your iPhone. So you have to just disconnect all of the VPN from your iPhone, and after do it, you'll have to back from here. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just reinsert your SIM card on your iPhone, and after you reinsert your SIM card on your iPhone, your problem will be gone now. And if you are still facing that problem you'll have to just back from there and again open the general, and from the general section again scroll down at the bottom and tap on option transfer or reset iPhone, and from your tap on reset. From your tap on reset network settings. From your enter your passcode, and after you enter your passcode you'll be able to reset all of the network setting on your iPhone, and after you do a reset your problem will be surely fixed now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.